Hey, what up guys, Ivan here, welcome to another CLC trading free watchlist. We created this series of videos to help you during the week with the setup that we shared during the weekend in our free Telegram channel. So this week we will talk about EURUSD, New Zealand dollar CAD, and we talk also about Swiss franc Japanese yen because we shared yesterday an article on this pair in our free Telegram channel. If you haven't joined yet our Telegram channel, I leave you the link below on this video to join this beautiful channel. We share many setups, free update on multiple pair, and in the next week we will release crazy updates, guys. So if you haven't joined yet, join now before it's too late. So now we can start with EURUSD on the 4-hour time frame. We can see here that the price here in the last days of September break this key level 1.0950, start this new bearish phase, fail to break here 1.0890, and from this point start a strong bullish movement. We can see here a clear break, retest, and then continuation to the upside. And we can see that the price here break this bearish trend line, start this second bullish phase that perfectly reach here 1.1060, this slowdown area, fail to go higher and close this weekly candle just below this slowdown area. Obviously, after this break, I expect a retest before the continuation. And we can see that the last week the price has perfectly followed my analysis. And we can see here that the price opened with this small bearish gap, started this strong bearish phase that perfectly touched our entry point. We have our entry point around 1.10 here. Retest this broken bearish trend line and this bullish trend line, and from this point start a strong bullish movement that bring it to close the last weekly candle above 1.1150, and this obviously was a massive bullish signal because a weekly closing is one of the strongest signals from the market. And after this clear break, I expect more upside potential, but obviously we are at the top of a massive bullish movement that starts here. We can see any type of correction, and after this break, using Fibonacci from the beginning of the last bullish phase, we can see that this Fibonacci retracement perfectly matching the lower part of this slowdown area, and obviously this for me is the perfect area for a correction before the next bullish phase, because in this area we have this slowdown area, this bullish trend line, and in this area we have also these two Fibonacci level, so a very good area for a correction before the next bullish phase that could also give us a good entry point. In the free Telegram channel, I don't talk about the entry strategy because it's too risky to talk with everybody about this strategy, because you don't have the follow-up that we made on the VIP Telegram channel. But to be completely honest, in the VIP Telegram channel we place an order here around 1.1070 here. But now, guys, looking at the price section of this week, we can see that the price failed to go higher and start this correction yesterday evening. Just before the daily closing, the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle that obviously was a massive bearish signal. And now the price is trying to break this slowdown area, but we can see that this morning the price started this bearish phase, touch here this Fibonacci retracement 38.20, and now is forming a clear hammer candle. So now we need to watch carefully the price action, because a clear 4-hour closing above this slowdown area after this clear touch will be a huge bullish signal and could bring the price to a new bullish phase after this correction. But if the price will fail to go higher, we need to watch carefully the price action, because if the price will continue this bearish movement, I will look personally at 1.1085, because a clear reaction of this area could be a good signal for a new bullish phase, also because we can see that the price has already reacted the upper part of this side channel here, 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 and here, and we can see that here the price has made a break, many bullish and bearish signal before starting a new bearish phase, a new bullish phase, and this could be another example of break, retest, and then continuation to the upside. So for now, guys, we need to watch carefully the price action, because a clear break of this slowdown area could bring the price to a deeper correction around 1.1085. But a clear reaction of this Fibonacci retracement and 4-hour closing above this red slowdown area will be a huge signal that the price has made this correction and is ready for a new bullish phase. We have a potential entry point here, but if the price will start a new bullish phase, a daily closing above 1.1150 will be a huge signal that could bring the price to a new bullish phase and could give us also a second entry point. So for now, guys, look carefully this 4-hour closing, and if the price will start a deeper correction, or after this touch will finally find the strength for a new bullish phase. New Zealand dollar CAD, here we go. We are on the daily time frame, and we can see here that the price, after this touch of this key level here, 0.89, start a strong bearish signal here that bring the price to break many key level here, 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 and to reach this slowdown area around 8260 the first day of October. And we can see that after this bearish candle, the price the next day start this new bullish phase, form this massive bullish engulfing candle, break this bearish trend line, and this obviously all these bullish confluences are a clear signal that the price was ready to go higher. But we can see that after these two strong bullish candle, the price failed to go higher, and we can see that the price has formed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 upper shadows extended with clear touches of this slowdown area 0.8420 without the strength to go higher. And we can see that after this bearish engulfing candle, the price start a new bearish phase that bring the price to touch again this slowdown area and the broken bearish trend line. And obviously this is a clear example, another example of our strategy break and retest, because we can see start of this bullish movement, break of this bearish trend line, continuation to the upside, correction, retest, and then new bullish phase. Obviously here we have a double bottom and a break and retest, so two clear setups, and from this point the price follow our analysis and start a new bullish phase that this week bring it again to touch 0.84, but we can see that the price fail again to go higher. This could be a clear example that the price for now has not the strength to go higher. And also in this area we have this moving average here, so a clear signal that the price is not ready to go higher. But for now we need to watch carefully the price action, obviously on the daily time frame, because a daily closing above this slowdown area will be a huge bullish signal for this pair and could bring the price to a first bullish phase with target around 0.85, and obviously in extension this bearish trend line. But for now I prefer to not make any setup on this pair on the daily time frame. We need only to wait a clear break of this slowdown area. And looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price here in the last weeks failed to go higher, start this lateral phase, and we can see that the price is still trapped in the same lateral spot this week. So now obviously guys, we need a clear break of this slowdown area, because a clear break to the downside could bring the price to a retest of 83.20 here before the next bullish phase. But a clear 4-hour closing and daily closing above this slowdown area and the upper part of this side channel will be a huge bullish signal that could bring the price to a new bullish phase. For now guys, for me, we don't have the right signal for an entry here, so we need much clear signal before thinking about an entry on this pair, especially because the price last weeks has given us a stop loss here, but has given us a beautiful setup from this point, a long setup with target here. So we don't need to rush into any trade, we need only to watch the price action. But for now guys, we need only to wait the break of this side channel. To the upside will be a huge bullish signal that could bring the price to touch 0.85. To the downside, for me, could bring the price to a deeper correction around 0.8320 before any other move. For now guys, we need to sit on our hands and wait the right signal. And then here we go with Swiss franc Japanese yen. We shared an article yesterday about this pair, so if you haven't read this article, you can find it on our website and our free Telegram channel. So you can only search Swiss franc Japanese yen on our website and you can find this article. Essentially we talk about this double bottom here, and we can see that from this point the price started this massive bullish movement that break this key level here, 109, and we can see that the price has reached here 1110.40, but we can see that the price on Monday failed to go higher, and yesterday the price has formed this big bearish candle here, and for me this bearish engulfing candle here is a clear example that the price need a deeper correction before the next move. And using Fibonacci from the start of this bullish phase, we can see that this Fibonacci retracement perfectly matching this key level, and also we have this 100 period MA. We can see how many times the price has reacted this moving average in the last weeks and months, and we can see that now this moving average is just below this key level here. So now we need to watch carefully the price action, because if the price will start a deeper correction, I will look carefully here, 109, because a clear reaction of this area could bring the price to a new bullish phase. Could bring the price to a new bullish phase. But a clear break of this level for me could bring the price to a deeper correction around 108. So obviously guys, now we need to watch carefully the price action around this area, because we have three strong confluences: a key level, a Fibonacci retracement, and a 200 period MA. So now we need to watch obviously if the price first of all will break this slowdown area, because a clear 4-hour closing below this slowdown area will be a huge signal and could bring the price to touch again 109 before the next bullish phase. We can see how many times the price has reacted this level in the last weeks, so this could be a clear example of break, retest, and then continuation. But if the price will find the strength to stay above this slowdown area, for me this could be a clear signal that the strain is not over on this pair and the price is ready to the last bullish phase here with target around 111. For now, guys, really not much to say on the daily time frame. We can watch the 4 hour because we can see that the price has just break here a strong bullish trend line. Oops, sorry. Here we can see our Fibonacci retracement. So now the price has just break this bullish trend line. So now we need to watch if the price will confirm this break. I expect a deeper correction to touch this area. We can see how perfect on the 4 hour time frame is this 100 period MA. So we have two 100 period MA around 109, one on the daily time frame and one of 4 hour time frame. So another great confluences for our setup. So now we need to wait and look, because using Fibonacci from the start of this last bearish phase, we can see that around 109.77 we have this Fibonacci retracement, and if the price will start a new bullish phase and will react this area, this will be the final confirm for a deeper correction with target around 109. For now, guys, this is my update, because this week the market is very low. We have low volatility without any clear push or main direction on many pairs, especially Euro and USD. So a very quick update this week. We have potential setup on many pairs, but for now the price has not given us the right signal to activate this setup. So for now we are out of the market with all the pairs. We have not active order yet, but for now Euro USD, New Zealand dollar CAD, and here of Swiss franc Japanese yen for us are the better pair for this week. Try to understand the main direction and to find some good setup. For now, guys, the only advice I can give you is to sit on your hands, wait the right signal before rushing into a trade. This is one of the strongest signal of a good trader, because a pro trader didn't rush into any opportunity. We wait the right signal for our setup and we stick to our trading plan. So don't be emotional, guys, and don't rush into any trade only to do something. Wait the right confirm, especially in this slow week, because the price action made a lot of trap in this side phase. So stay away from the market and look only for the right opportunity, guys. We hope this little update on these three pairs could help you a lot during the week with your setup. Now, guys, on Euro USD and New Zealand dollar CAD, we need the right confirm, especially on Euro USD, because we have potentially placed an order. On New Zealand dollar CAD, we need a clear break. And in any case, I will send you an update on the free Telegram channel if the price will finally give us some confirm. I hope you can find some value inside this video, and I wish you a good day. Thank you for watching this video. Click the subscribe button, guys, and we want to thank you for support the CLC trading. Really thank you, guys.